Hi, my name is Balaji. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Kanvz. It's pronounced E-A-N-V-A-S. And thank you to Tutin and Tyler for arranging this for us to present. We're a startup, me and my partner. I'm based in Portland, he's based in the Bay Area, and we have a small dev team in Bangalore, India. And we want to talk about really how to make the process of websites and blog creation really easy. So we're an innovative startup that's rethinking in a completely different way on how to go about creating websites. In a traditional website builder tool, you have drag and drop functionality or things to be able to create templates and so on. We're coming from a different paradigm. We're coming from typically how you create content in social media. So we want to make the process as simple as possible to make it same like how you post into Facebook, and not be able to deal with templates and other kinds of HTML coding or things that you would need to know to maintain a website, right? So let me ask this: how many of you have run your own WordPress websites or Wix or Weebly? And maybe the following question is like, how many of you really think it's a really fun thing to do? So there is definitely, the process of creating websites and blogs have been simplified over time. And certainly there's been easier productivity-driven tools, but largely remain the same. And what we saw as an opportunity was, today in social, you are in a lot of social networks. The creation process is really super simple to be able to add a Facebook post or to be able to make a tweet. We want to be able to, have, in fact, one of our users gave a testament to us that, posting in Kanvz is as easy as creating a website through just tweeting, right, in your mobile phone. So, and the other issue with being in a social platform is you don't have a sense of organization. So we're also making it easier for you to organize your content and to be able to share it effectively in your existing networks. So I guess I spoke about this a little bit above. This is sort of a quote from Paul Graham, who's the YC founder. In one of his partners, Jessica, the expression of creating a website after a day. And it does, not only the initial creation process, but typically how you maintain a website. I mean, you see so many websites are outdated, they're not mobile friendly. So we want to make it really super simple for you to be able to create and maintain your website dynamically without any technical skills or publishing skills, just like you use your social media platform. This is an example of how Kanvz is really, helping and people trying to adopt Kanvz. So, are there people out here who are part of SSG Slack in Startup Study Group community? There may be a few people, but this is essentially one of the largest Slack communities out there, Startup Study Group. It's run by a person called Charles Joe. And you can see there's an example of a website where the last posting was somewhere in middle of last July. And when they looked at Kanvz, that as a community, they felt that it was very easy for them to maintain. So they've adopted Kanvz as their repository platform to be able to state their website. And I'll be showing some examples. So in terms of our target customers, we're really targeting content creators and bloggers, and also it could be any small organizations that want no-frills website. If you typically look at websites today, they fall in, people who want really nice branded site with a lot of design aesthetics. If you look at a mobile phone where the majority of the consumption happens today, things get normalized into a, no matter how fancy your design would be, they get normalized to a single delivery format or device, right? So we believe because of that consumption, maybe you can eliminate a lot of that overheads to perhaps make that process much more productive, much more easier for you to be able to maintain your websites or blogs. And here I'm using the term websites a little bit loosely. It could be a portfolio site that you're running, it could be a blog, it could be any other form of content format, or you may be just a curator interested in certain topics that you're curating. And it could also be, we have a nonprofit in Silicon Valley Talent Partnerships. They've adopted Kanvz to be able to just work with various cities, and they find being able to communicate their content really right. So let me just show some examples here. So this is and we do allow you, as of today, we have actually released capability to map your domains, and you can create a simple portfolio site like this. This is an independent portfolio site. Again, this is the startup study group where they've curated a lot of content and publishing. I also want to show, for example, this is a hiker and blogger. And what you're seeing is a home page, and this is a gallery, and this is what we call canvases. And once you click on a canvas, you can write in either story format, or you could also have typical social media like posts. And they could be original content, and we also support curations across all different networks. So you can just pop in a link for a Facebook post or a tweet or an Instagram. It will be able to automatically create more context-driven content, right? So we help make the discovery process and get a sense of permanency to your content, but still we have capabilities like being able to just access your feed just like you would do in a social media. So right now I'm logged out of here, but still be able to use some of the benefits of collaborating and liking and favoriting some of the typical social features, but get a website in the process. So that's what is a Kanvz. Please feel free to check it out at kanvz.com. Thanks. Yeah, sure. Any questions? Yes.
Has Squarespace already solved this problem? Are you doing something different than they are? Or?
Sites like Squarespace, they are still taking the traditional model that you create, pages, HTML. You can do as complex as an HTML coding or a drag and drop interface. We make it literally as good as posting a tweet or posting on Facebook. You have a single add post button on your site in order to be able to post content. That's all. And that's the only creation method we support. When you're creating a post, you connect that to Kanvz. It's like, think of it like connecting with a tag, but in the process you create these sort of digital canvases which are more a container of your posts. Yeah, yes please.
I have a question about how much time and money have you invested in putting this thing together to this point? It's a beautiful product. I'm just kind of curious.
We are bootstrapped right now, and we're in the process of raising a seed round.
Okay.
And right now, my dev team is in Bangalore, so we've spent around $150K to get to this point.
And how much time?
I would say we started in March of 2015, and we had a focus group and got a lot of feedback. So we did a prototype somewhere in August, September, and then we had to refactor, and probably what you're seeing is since January.
It's a beautiful product.
Thank you, appreciate it. Yes?
What is your tech stack?
Node.js, Angular, yeah. And it's very responsive. We have a state-of-the-art database, Aerospike, we use in case for those of you interested. Yes?
What's your revenue model?
We have a couple of options, so we would expect to have a premium subscription for certain premium features, like a typical SaaS model. But the way the product is being conceptualized, there's opportunity for native ads in the future once we grow the platform, and that would be, we believe, is a substantial revenue stream. It wouldn't be pop-up ads. We would, at a point that we can have a critical mass, that we would be thinking about preserving the user experience and still be able to monetize that. Yes?
Who's your typical user, your largest user segment?
Typical user would be small businesses, right, who want, we've talked to a lot of people, they just love using Kanvz. Right now we're still in private beta. We are spreading through word of mouth, and we expect to launch publicly in a more aggressive campaign next month. But mostly people who have existing domains that they have not used, it's just lying out there, or small organizations and nonprofits to begin with. Okay, thank you.